All right, I've gone ahead and welded this up in the pieces at the front end on here, and metal finished it the same way I demonstrated metal finishing this, with the layout die, the bullseye pick. So I've got a real nice surface now, and I'm ready to join the parts. But before I join the parts, I've got to mark, very carefully mark, a joining line. This is going to be done by removing the extra metal that I allowed myself when I made it. Now let's take a look at the buck. I've screwed the buck together, the two halves back together. The area between here is very important. It's 1.5 inches. This is the area that has to be open and to drop over the bike frame. It's 7/8 of an inch is half the distance. So what I need to do is mark this area with the height gauge. I'm going to take the buck apart and mark the metal right on the buck. Exact cut line, here we go, 7/8. Now this is important to get this piece on here in its proper location, down tight on the buck. Now I can take and drag this around here and get a correct mark. Okay, now the back side is different. This is the side I just marked is where it gets joined, and the back, or the bottom I should say, needs to get cut way up here where the actual opening is. I can mark it right on actually use the buck as a guide, a height marker, and go right across here. There's my mark for the bottom. Now I'll repeat this process with the other side. And I'm going to take this over to the welder and I'm going to tack it up, and then I'm going to weld it and metal finish it. And the next time you'll see this piece, it'll be joined. It'll be over at the bike for a trial fit.